Most people don't believe credit scores can improve in just 30 days. So today I'm going to share real results directly from the credit bureaus. So in today's world, everyone is trying to fix their credit as fast as possible. Sadly, there's a ton of scams and misleading information all over the internet. Some of these fake gurus are saying that you can fix your credit in 24 hours, 3 days, 10 days, whatever the case is. Although none of this information is true, there are still some things that may happen within the first round. Many of our clients sign up with so many different types of accounts on their credit. Some of these accounts can be charge-offs, some of these can be collection accounts, there's late payments, there's even auto repossessions. Many of these items can be deleted because there's inaccurate information reporting, the account is incomplete, there's wrong balances, some items just simply can't be verified, there may be some type of violation affecting the debt collection account that's reporting, plus many times, sometimes the creditors just don't respond in time. It is our job to look at these items and find any possible reason that the credit bureau will allow for these accounts to be deleted. When our clients sign up and use our service, they actually sign a authorization agreement that allow us to work on their behalf so that they can do more things that they may be busy with. This can be work, this can be dealing with children, or some people just don't feel like doing any of this stuff during their free time. So it's our job to look at all of these negative accounts that are affecting their credit scores and challenge these with the credit bureaus. Whenever we do challenge these items, the credit bureaus are going to respond directly to us and we respond back to them. We also may request documents from the creditors to help fight our case. Here next to me is a stack of results that we received from the credit bureaus for all of our clients who signed up around this week last month. So we're going to go through these and see what we have. So as you can see, there's a ton of different type of accounts that were deleted for some of our clients over the last 30 days. However, in this particular episode, I'm going to go over a auto repossession that was deleted for this client, mainly because this is usually one of the harder things to delete. So let's go over exactly how we were able to get this item deleted over the last 30 days. All right, so this particular client enrolled October 2nd of 2025, which was a little over a month ago, right? So this client enrolled, we challenge all items that may be affecting their credit reports. We look for errors, we look for items that can't be verified. Plus some of these items, who knows, the creditors just simply may not respond. So whatever the case is, we want to always challenge those items to see what options we have to go with. So the first thing I noticed with this particular account, once we looked at all three credit bureaus, each one was slightly reporting a few different things. So I believe Equifax and Experian here were reporting that the account was past due or in charge-off status. However, TransUnion, if I look here, they still had the account listed as open, which was kind of weird because the account isn't open and is actually repoed. The vehicle got repossessed. So this was the first red flag with this account. And I actually had to call the client and just say, hey, the car did get repossessed, right? So we did confirm that it's clearly an obvious error. And as you can see here, TransUnion was the first bureau to delete this auto repossession here through United Auto Credit Corp. So that was an obvious error. So I mean, there's many other reasons why accounts can be deleted, but as you can see here, this is the main thing here, just looking at obvious errors. Now, the biggest issue with credit repair is that there's three separate credit bureaus: Equifax, Experian, TransUnion. And just because there's an error on TransUnion does not mean that there's going to be the same error on Equifax or Experian, vice versa. TransUnion may agree to delete something, but that does not mean the other two bureaus have to do the same. So now you can see things can happen the first 30 days in the credit repair process, but it is not a guaranteed thing. You know, it is not guaranteed that this item would have been deleted from every single bureau. However, there is a chance that one bureau may have some obvious errors and this item may be deleted in the first 30 days, which clearly it did. So, you know, this is also another reason not to believe all of those misleading information that you see online, because everyone's case is different. You know, someone may have a repossession and it's verified, there's no errors, the item is reported correctly, and the creditor respond if you go to dispute it. And if so, then your chances may be very slim with trying to get that item deleted versus this person here who can say, oh, Stirgus Credit Repair got this item deleted within the first 30 days. So, you know, everyone's situation can be different. For those who are watching and listening to this episode, if you have some of these items that we clearly had deleted within the first round here on your credit report, be sure to visit StirgusCreditRepair.com, sign up for our free trial, and let's try to get some of those items deleted off of your credit reports. If you have questions on anything that I discussed or just general questions about credit, comment those questions below in the comment section, and me personally will respond to those questions as soon as I see them. Be sure to subscribe, like this episode, and share it with someone who can use the help. Also, if you're on Facebook, join our group, It Pays to Have Good Credit, where we help people improve their credit scores and answer any questions they may have.
Stirgus Credit Repair. Stirgus Credit Repair. If you want a new house, call us. If you need a new car, call us. If you want a good job, call us. If you want